Hi guys, welcome back for another video of polymer clay jewelry making. I want to make something not as bright as my regular accessories, so I'm using two lighter colors of polymer clay. I'm arranging the locks of each color alternatively. I stretched it a bit so locks become longer and thinner. Now I'm using the pasta machine to flatten the clay into a sheet. I'm folding the sheet in half and running it through the pasta machine. I'm following the same steps repeatedly, like folding the sheet into half and flattening it in the pasta machine until the two colors blend smoothly. Now I am folding the blended sheet into half and again refolding it into half and flattening it in a pasta machine to get a long vertical sheet. I'm thinning down the vertical sheet using the lowest settings step by step. Now I am folding the long vertical sheet like a Z fold to form a block. Shape it neatly by pressing it using an acrylic block to form a rectangular block. I'm slicing the cane into 4 portions, arranging them to form a slab. Use an acrylic roller to flatten the slab and then a pasta machine to get the blended slab. Now I'm spraying some water on the texture sheet so it will prevent the clay from sticking inside the crevices. Apply pressure on the acrylic roller while rolling it to get a neat textured clay sheet. Remove the texture sheet and remove the water using tissues. I'm using a mica powder. You can simply cut out shapes from the slab without using mica powder. It looks beautiful anyway. But I wanted a nice shine, so I'm using mica. Just slightly touch the mica powder with a finger and apply it on the slab carefully. Don't use any brush while applying mica. If you do so, the slab will be covered with mica and you cannot see the base colors. Applying using a finger allows you to coat the mica only on the raised parts from the texture, so you can still see the base color. See the shine on the slab overall? It's not too bright, which is exactly the way I wanted it to be. You can also use a dark colored base and gold or any other mica powder. It will completely change the overall look. I'm cutting out some shapes from my final slab for baking. This is Pearl X varnish, which is glossy. These are baked pieces. I always use some kind of sealant like varnish or resin whenever I use mica powders. Sealant will protect the mica powder. Using a soft paint brush, I'm applying the varnish on the baked piece. I'll reapply the varnish about 2 to 3 times. Each coating should be dried before proceeding to the next coating. I assemble each piece using a simple circular connector and a hook. It's the final step. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe if you like our work.